Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve the code problem number 1281, which is subtract the product and sum of the digits of an integer. Basically, this is a easy level problem statement which is important for beginners. And this problem statement explains we have given one input is n. For example, which is n equals to 2, 3, 4, and we have the digits are 2, 3, and 4. After that, you have to find a product of the digits, which is 2 into 3 into 4, and we have got an answer 24. After that, sum of the digits 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals to 9, and the final result is 24 minus 9 equals to 15. Okay. Now let's look at the code. We first create two variables. First is int product equals to 1, because product always starts from 1, and second is sum. Okay. And then we run while loop until the n becomes 0, n greater than 0. After that, we have to find last digit of an integer. So we inside the loop we extract the last digit using n modulus 10. So we have to write integer equals to n modulus 10. By using this modulus, we can find last digit of any number, and after that we will multiply the digit with product. So product equals to product into product equals to digit, and then we will find sum plus or equals to digit. Okay. After that we will remove the last digit using n divided by 10, and 10. Okay. This process continues until all digits are processed. Finally, we return product minus sum. Return product minus sum. So basically, this is all over the code, and let's do a quick diagram with n equals to 2, 3, and 4. So when in the first iteration, the digit is 4, so the product becomes 4 and sum becomes 4. Then n becomes 2 and 3, because we have removed the last digit using this, and the digit is 3. So product becomes 4 into 3 equals to 12, and the sum becomes 7. Okay. Then after n becomes 2 and third iteration, the digit is 2. So product becomes 2, 4, 24, because 12 into 2 equals to 24, and sum becomes 9. 7 plus 2, 9. Okay. And n becomes 0. The loop stops, and finally we return product minus sum equals 24 minus 9. So we will run this code. Okay, this is case 1 successful. This is case 2. Okay, and submit. So this is all problem statement, and very easy problem statement which we have solved. Thank you.